Wow, Bon Jovi, ASMR queen.
I can't explain it, but I try to give you the words. You slip through my hands when I fly with the birds.
Damn, I look like a watermelon. Hello you guys. So today I'm just gonna be vlogging and I'm gonna be doing some tie-dye because I'm so bored. And I think I'm gonna cook later, but who knows. How are you guys? I'm so bored today. Hopefully the tie-dye ends up good. I've never tie-dyed in my life before. I bought a couple of things to tie-dye. So for sure I want to do this tube top dress. This one I want to make it like this color here. So just white and pink tie-dye. And hopefully this one ends up cute. And then I have this like white long sleeve crop top. I think I'm going to do this one like a green and blue. I'm going to be doing hella high knee socks. You guys know I like to wear these with sneakers. This is gonna take forever. So I'm gonna be using this Tulip one-step tie-dye kit. This is the jumbo size. It has yellow, red, violet, blue, and green. No pink. I think I have to make the pink. Guys, I've been watching the show Lucifer. I'm like already on season 4 and I just started 3 days ago. I like to do a lot of skipping, but that show is so good. Rumble it. I grab a rubber band. Bam! Look at what we got. Also, the shirt and the dress is from Pretty Little Thing. Oh! And I think I'm gonna do this crew neck. I'm gonna try to make it like white and pink. I hope I don't mess this up because this is one of my favorite sweaters. Alright, now in with the pink. Okay, that looks freaking red. I don't know what I'm doing. Ew, this blue is too dark. Alright, so I'm done tie-dyeing. I'm gonna leave that in for like 5 hours or maybe 4, I don't know. I don't want the colors to be too strong, you know? Oh my god. Hi, Baito. Here's our messy kitchen. I need to do the dishes. Baito! Sit. Wow! Oh my god, my nail fell off. I have fake nails on. I'm using the Kiss press-ons. This nail has nothing because it fell off. The reason I have like the nails on is because I did acrylic nail and it ruined my nail. So I needed something to cover it. Oh, also this kitchen. We painted the cabinets white and so it looks so much brighter. We got new lights to make it look like bright as heck. Alright, so I'm gonna make a smoothie and no reason at all. I think they're just really good. I grew up telling people I hate smoothies, but it turns out that I just don't like smoothies that have any kind of like milk in it. It just doesn't taste good to me. So I've been making the smoothies with orange juice, which I got this recipe from Charlize. So what I do is just put, oh, oops. So I'm just gonna put in some orange juice. I put about this much in this little cup here. It's literally all eyeball. Bon Jovi, what the heck are you doing? Y'all hear my dog? And then I put frozen mangoes. Yeah. I'm gonna take a spoonful of sugar.
Oh, I thought real mangoes for you to put in there.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll use that. It's cold. Anyways, yeah, since quarantine has been happening, we painted the kitchen white. Painted the walls gray. If you guys remember, the walls used to be over there was like pink. And then this wall in this room was red. The house is really messy. But when is it not? I need to buy some strawberries, flour. No, actually, I think we have flour. My mom literally just came back from the store, but I didn't tell her what I needed, so now I have to go. But I'm gonna get vanilla ice cream. Walk it like a tuck it. Walk it like a tuck it. There's something about the way you sing to my heart. I know that I will make things clear. Bro, I swear your hair got stuck in my lip gloss, bro. My nose is stuffy right now. Bro, that was my first kiss.
I heard dog saliva can heal you.
Mom, you're looking rough today.
That's what happens when you're in quarantine.
I literally wear like the same jackets in my videos. Okay, I'm really about to walk up in there with my socks like this. Ooh, no chill, dude. Okay, so I'm in the car. If there's one thing I don't like to do, that is getting gas. It is just so annoying, but I have to. All right, time to put on gloves. Gassed up, yeah. Yeah, I know. Damn, y'all, my gas never been so full. If there's one thing that I like out of this quarantine, has to be the low gas prices. Hey, you know what I mean? Besides not having to go to school. At the grocery store, about to go in, and I'm just like thinking, if I'm gonna be grocery shopping, is it even appropriate if I have my camera on me? Because my camera could like somehow get like diseases on it, you know what I mean? So I'm just thinking. So I went to the store and it was so awkward that I didn't record anything, but hey, got my groceries. Shrimp chips are the best chips. So mother, what you making?
We are making white bass.
White bass. Alright, Vito, you sit right here. I shall let you have one shrimp chip, but you must shake my hand. Shake. Wow. You've earned it. Only one. Scurry on. Wow, Bon Jovi. ASMR queen. His crunches sound so cute. Oh. You wanna do the TikTok with me, Vito?
Veggie sausage patty. Then we're gonna add
Mom, what is you listening to? Alright, mother, please come take a selfie of me. I just hit the loop with the box. Head up with the stick in the box. Pull up the whole damn thing. I'ma get lazy. Okay. So, time to test out one of the tie-dye thingies to see if it's ready. Okay. Not too bad. Oh, it's just blue now. At least it's white and blue. I'm gonna put the blue and the green one in the dryer by itself, just in case it stains the other colors. Oh my god! All right. Alright, I'm hungry. Let's go eat. Ooh, fish. Thanks for the food, parents.
You're welcome. When it's 2 items like that, you better put it on timer. Otherwise, it throws it off. It thinks it's ready, but it's not.
Alright, guys. So I washed the pink ones out, and it low-key turned out too hot pink, but it's okay. I'm still gonna wear it. Oh, what? Oh my god. Guys, the socks are so cute. It actually lightened up. Oh, it's perfect. I'm still gonna give it to my boyfriend because I already told him about them. I shouldn't have said anything. Just kidding. Oh shit, I have homework. And then the top, I would definitely still wear this. Since the shirt and the sock for the green and blue one is done, I'm gonna go ahead and try it on and see how cute it is. Alright guys, so this is the top. I think it's so cute. The color is just the perfect light blue, and they're my socks. The socks are hella cute. My boyfriend is lucky. Overall, I'm really happy with how they turned out. I think the dryer actually like lightened them a bit, so it just looks so much better now that it's not as like dark. I'm happy with what I got. So besides that, I do have to do my homework. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie. This morning I had a Zoom. You guys know what a Zoom is? It's basically like FaceTiming your class. And I literally slept in and completely forgot about it. I didn't go to class this morning. Yesterday I did the same thing for my other class. But the good thing is that I have an A in those classes still, and we're all good. So the only homework I have today is just to write a paper. So that is not too bad. Honestly, I only need 30 minutes. Interview a local community, blah, 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 blah. Get a freaking rad. I'm FaceTiming my boyfriend right now, and he's writing an essay as well as I. Gosh, we have no life. We're perfect for each other. Come on, come on. Hey!
Been a little bit since I was a little kid. I haven't felt this way since high school. I'm sorry, I know you feel like you. And I fly with the birds.
These socks are so cute. Never been a baby beyond. So I took out the dress, the sweater. Oh my god, look at all this pink stuff. I'm excited. The entire thing is basically pink. Like there's no sign of white anywhere. But it's okay. Let me go try them on though. Not even gonna lie, it's hella warm. Warm laundry. Here we have the pink set. This set is freaking cute. Low-key, I should like try to make a whole set, like actually get sweatpants that match it. I'm obsessed with this. I was kind of scared because I thought it was gonna be really red or something, but this is actually like a really hot pink, so I'm totally fine with that. Alright, I'll try on the dress now. Alright guys, so I have the dress on and this is how it looks like. Honestly, I missed hella spots, but have y'all seen the ass? Oh my god, guys. It looks so much better from like the back view. Like, wow. This is so cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear this in the summertime. Damn, I look like a watermelon.
Come here! Come here! Ayo, you're so cute! You're so cute! My baby!
Oh no, he's over here. Oh, Bito, you almost got in trouble, dude. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna make some crepe. All I need is flour, eggs, butter, milk, and of course sugar. I'm gonna be using strawberries today, and then I'm gonna have vanilla ice cream and Nutella. Let's get started. Now, the first thing I need to gather up are my dry ingredients. Oh yeah. 1 cup of flour. Dusty like this ass. Nah, just kidding. I'm gonna make double my usual formula. Okay, perfectly 2 cups. Oh. I'm gonna be doing 4 tablespoons of the sugar. Salt. The only other dry ingredient is nothing. Okay, we're good with the dry ingredients. I dropped tomatoes, bro. Y'all cannot deny I was a cute kid. Oh, so cute. I hope my kid looks like me. So this is the kind of texture we have at the moment. These are freaking huge. Are you guys seeing how freaking huge this strawberry is? I love these. These are the perfect color right now. Alright, cutting off the little green part. I'm gonna cut them like quarter sizes. So just like this. How dare you take my Nutella? That's Nutella? Mine. Nutella. Strawberries. Alright, carrots.
Hey, cool cats and kittens.
I have a huge sweet tooth. Boy. So good. Alright you guys, so that is all for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this little day in my life. I cooked, I did some tie-dyeing, I did a little bit of TikTok. I think I might make a little bit more TikToks tonight because I'm bored. I did homework, so you know, today was kind of productive, and I looked cute because I did my makeup. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed already. Comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see from me. Like the video, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Mwah!
This way since high school. I'm sorry, I know you feel lied to. I can't explain it, but I try to give you the words. You slip through my